I would never have any intentions or dreams of hurting anybody.
I cannot just be just like Dr. King. His example demonstrated the power of being selfless and fighting for all the rights of all people.
When Dr. King started studying this time in particular, it demonstrated the love he had to see our society come together and unite for the cause of freedom.
Of respecting ourselves with what we say, how we say it, and when we say it. As a child, I should respect all adults. That's a big word. All.